Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Brown color, yellow color, orange color, sea blue color, green color, red color and light green color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z and numbers counting 1 to 10. First A for aeroplane. Next kids, B for butterfly. Next kids, C for car. Next kids, D for dolphin. Next kids, E for eye. Next kids, F for fan. Next kids, G for giraffe. Next kids, H for hand. Next kids, I for ink. Next, J for jellyfish. Next kids, K for kite. Next, L for lion. Next kids, M for moon. Next kids, N for nuts. Next kids, O for octopus. Next, P for paper. Next kids, Q for quail. Next kids, R for rabbit. Next kids, S for star. Next kids, T for tiger. Next kids, U for uniform. Next, V for vegetable. Next, W for water. Next, X for X-ray. Next kids, Y for yogurt. Next, Z for zoo. Now the numbers counting. Number 1. Next kids, number 2. Next kids, number 3. Next kids, number 4. Next kids, number 5. Next kids, number 6. Next kids, number 7. Next, number 8. Next kids, number 9. Next kids, number 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for car, D for dolphin, E for eye, F for fan, G for giraffe, H for hand, I for ink, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nuts, O for octopus, P for paper, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tiger, U for uniform, V for vegetable, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yogurt, and Z for zoo. Now the numbers counting. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.